it's me, Miz Cracker, and I am here with my new daughter, Eva Cado. We are in the kitchen at Them. Eva Cado is going to show me a little bit about how to host some bitches for the Pride season. Okay, what do we have?
Or hosting yourself. So, as a little homage to your Jewish heritage, I love chicken liver pate.
Oh,
Do you?
absolutely. Yes, I do.
Okay, you can make it yourself. Just remember, whenever you're putting it into whatever ramekin, coat it with some clarified butter because it's going to seal it and it's going to allow it to stay really nice and moist.
I love that.
But they did the work for us at Russ and Daughters, so we got the very best available.
I'm so ready.
So we have caramelized onions,
Okay.
little cornichons, little gherkins, and then we have pickled onions as
Okay.
well, and then egg.
This is, what's the word for it? Oh, Jewy.
I can't say it, but you can.
I absolutely can. I'm reclaiming the word, and I feel like I am at Grandma's house right now with a little chicken liver pate. We got it from the place right across from Katz's. You know the one. Yeah.
Okay, so I think we should use these cute little babies. These are like little brioche-style little
Yes.
buns. First things first. So since the butter's cold, you really have to be careful when you scrape it just to get like thin little ribbons. It's going to spread
nice.
a lot easier than just hacking right into it. This is going to be harder because they're very fresh and it's soft.
Yeah.
But as long as you get some of it, because I love biting into the taste of cold butter.
Oh yeah, I do too.
I love a butter chunk.
Please welcome Miss Butter Chunks.
Miss Butter Chunks.
She's great.
That would have been my alternate name.
Yeah, exactly. There's so many options
That's
for
Eva Cado's alter ego, is Butter Chunks.
For later in life when your metabolism drops.
Yes. Perfect. Okay, so we have some butter, and then next up, we're actually going to put our chicken liver.
Okay, work.
Ooh, I can already tell there's some nice little bits of onion in there. So you can spread this as generously or as lightly as you please.
Okay.
And I'm going to do both sides because it's going to be, all the fillings are going to go on the inside, and I really like to have both sides of it spread because I love a nice little aggressive bite of liver.
Oh, absolutely.
But you do it your way.
You know what's great about you in this outfit? You look like a lady who has never set foot inside a kitchen, yet here you are, finding your way around.
Are you watching your figure?
I am. Well,
Okay.
I mean, I'm not, but America is.
Okay, so next up, we have our egg.
Okay.
So there are options with the egg. You can have slices,
Yeah.
or we can grate it, which is kind of really nice. So it makes it a little more delicate and like less big bites of egg. How do you
Oh my
like it?
goodness. Let's do slices, because I like
Slices?
some chunks.
Okay.
You know? Okay, I'm gonna take this one, take my little...
Beautiful.
And I also like this moment here where you can see the cross-section.
Oh, those are beautiful yolks too. They got us
Yeah.
some nice farm eggs.
These are farm eggs because they are full, they're like healthy, and
Yes.
you know, something was gonna live because
These
of
are
this egg.
really good yolks, actually.
Yeah.
I'm very impressed.
Yep. All right.
So then we
There
fan
we
those
go.
out like so.
I like how you fan that. You just domino tilted it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Mine is gonna be a little chunkier. There we go.
And every egg needs a bit of salt.
All right.
You
How
got
much?
a little pinch
Just
of-
a pinch.
There you go.
Can't resist. Delicious.
Do you want caramelized onions or do you want pickled onions?
I'm gonna go with pickled onions because it's early in the day and I want something fresh.
Yes, and we want that nice acidity. I think that's a really good
Yeah.
compliment.
I'm just gonna, right.
Yes, generous with the pickled
Oh,
onion.
absolutely. I don't want anyone to kiss me for a year after this. You know what I mean? Oh,
Is
I
it
love
too
a
soon
gherkin.
to bring up the pickle?
No, it's not.
It's fine. Okay,
Yeah.
great.
Dr. Dale is in the house, everybody.
I love that you're making nice little cross sections of them as well.
Yeah.
I want them nice
great.
and thin.
Nice and thin.
I love a pickle.
You're running yours crossways. I like that for you. This looks
Kinda,
like
you know?
art. This is like basically a Rothko, but a sandwich. I really like that.
I love an art reference.
You're welcome.
And then a little bit of pepper on the other side.
Okay.
We're pepper baying it. Then you close your little sandwich.
Oh my goodness.
It could be a tartine if you eat it face up, but since the bread is so fresh, I think we don't want to even waste the other half.
Right.
Then you can press it down a little, get all those ingredients together.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Your first time eating in lipstick.
Making our ancestors proud.
Absolutely. Let's clink
Oh my god,
sandwiches.
wait, what does that mean? Oh, I just understood.
Uh-huh. Delicious.
That's
Oh, this is really
fantastic
good.
liver.
This is exactly the kind of food I eat at home.
Isn't this yummy?
Oh, but she's strong. That's Miss Fame lipstick. You can eat in that shit and still be fine.
How's my face?
Your face is great.
I like to be told every once in a while.
So why did you choose this for Pride?
Well, duh, because I wanted something that was really light and wouldn't make you feel sleepy at all. This isn't a carb coma.
No, absolutely.
I just wanted a little homage to your Jewish heritage.
Yeah.
And this is like, there's something that's so, you know, New York is hosting WorldPride this year. For me, New York, I think like Jewish culture is so strong and prevalent here, and it's kind of like, who wouldn't want to eat a nice little chicken liver pate sandwich?
Pride is about different kinds of people bringing what they have to the table and sharing it, and God damn it, if
Literally.
this is literally what I have to bring to the table. It's what's in the fridge right now. Follow this woman and find out how now a drag queen handles the kitchen. We'll see you very soon. Oh my goodness.
Bye.